Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Polka Wallet. So let's get started. Open your Polka Wallet application. From the first interface, go ahead and tap on Import Account button at the bottom. You can now go ahead and enter your mnemonic phrases from your backup. Select the account type you'd like to import and select mnemonic from the source type. Enter the mnemonic phrases that you previously backed up in the correct order. It'll then find you your account that matches the mnemonic phrases. Now tap on the next button at the bottom of the screen and then type in a name for your wallet, create a password for your wallet on the next field and confirm the password by retyping it again. After you are done, tap on next and you'll be able to get hold of your wallet back again. All you need to do is to back up your phrases and you'll be able to get access to your wallet whenever you want, even after deleting your wallet. So that is how you can easily log in to Polka Wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.